Bienvenue sur la messagerie vocale Digicel. Veuillez commencer par définir la langue de votre messagerie vocale, puis saisir le code d'accès à 4 chiffres de votre messagerie.
Your preferred language is English. Please press 1 to set up your new... First, we'll set up your password. Your password is a secret number that protects... Please... The password you entered is incorrect. You have entered 1254. To confirm this as your voicemail password, press 1. To create, your voicemail password has been saved. 1254. You have no new messages. Main menu. To work with your personal greeting, press 2. To change your voicemail password, please enter your voicemail password. Your voicemail account is now password protected. Your password will be required the next time you access your voicemail. Main menu. To work with your personal greeting, press 2. To change personal options menu at the tone, please record your personal greeting. When you have finished your recording, press the number sign. To save your personal greeting, press 1. Your personal greeting has been saved.